do you mean?
No,
Are you gonna do my intro for me? Are you gonna do my intro for me?
Whatever. God, terrible. What's going on, no game? Let me find Yaz. Hold on. Oh. Look who's here. Look who's here. Look who's here. Oh, everybody.
There we go. I was like fucking emote. God.
1C, 2C, 3C owners.
How many Z's are here?
Is it okay? Is it okay?
God, bro. Well, Norgang, welcome to yet another fucking meet where we're not doing anything but parking our cars.
I closed Full House, baby. I Full House.
Oh, and look at this. Hey, finally at me, Angel. There it is, bro. There it is, man. Damn. Yo. Hey, man. First of all, I don't speak Spanish, so I don't know what the fuck you're saying. But if you guys don't follow him already, that's Angel Vlogs. He goes ham drifting. Where's Icy at? Who's Icy? Well, we lost Icy. All right, I gotta find this guy.
I'm gonna put your YouTube channel in my description.
There we go, and I'm gonna do the same for you. Now, in English, I'm gonna put his in the description because, dude, he just killed it, bro. What?
Get the Godzilla.
The Godzilla.
Get the Godzilla.
Whose is it?
I don't know. It's his. I just met him.
You just met him? He wanted me to film your GTR. Goddamn. Well, it's like, I mean, I'm like your son, if you think about it. But yeah, so, I don't know, we all just decided to randomly go to this meet, the Carolina Ale House, and here we are. He planned it, he did.
I closed the house, I came early, with fucking cones. Some weird guy asking me, what the hell was I doing? I go, they're cones, bro. They're cones.
Bro, honestly, that saved my life too, because I wouldn't have had a parking spot. Bro, look at this. It's
I went to Walmart after work and got cones.
Dude, yeah, I was wondering if you paid for those cones. I was like, oh my God.
You really think I'm a thief?
Yes.
Hey.
Alright, so I don't know what I'm gonna do here. I don't know what's gonna happen, but we're just gonna... We're gonna figure it out. I don't get it. It's like the one time we're not doing anything, we're getting bothered by the cops. Like, we're in a parking lot. But I mean, like, we're parked as fuck. We're not even doing anything. Well, but welcome to Doral, bro. They're making the Jeep food. I'm telling you, bro, it's always the Mustangs, man. I'm telling you. Wait, who let this guy out? Who let this guy out? Yo.
How you doing?
I'm doing all right. There's CJ. All right, dude, this is a rare sight. Moto Scorpio, nailed it. Nailed it.
Nailed it first try.
Nailed it. Boom, first try. Dude, what are you guys doing here?
I mean, I'm always at meets.
I'm here to enjoy the car meet.
This is the Z section.
Hey, we gotta show them what a real OG meet is. We gotta bring them to the La Cuba.
A Kumba?
Bring them La Curva.
What the hell is
Basically, when everybody's leaving, we stand at that curb and people go.
Oh, well, I don't know what a Kumba is, but...
La Curva.
Oh, La Curva. See, that's what me and my Spanish dog...
Curva.
Yeah, well... If you guys don't know already, Short Guy Productions, but we're talking about him because his car looks like a fucking rocket going to the moon on the flame map. It does. I was like, oh, I had the biggest flames of the night. Yo, what's going on? How's everything, man? I was like, yo, I had the biggest flames of the night. Then JP just came around and just ended that real quick. Yeah, dude, look. Bro, you look like you're going to Jupiter, bro. I know, right? Look who decided to show up. One of the fast guys in Miami. What, HR Daddy? HR Daddy? What do you mean?
I'm tuned for miles per gallon.
Yeah, whatever, bro. So he wants to line it up, but, you know, I don't race people that are under 320 wheel. Okay.
Good thing I made like 290.
First of all, wait, did you for real? Oh, what'd you make?
310.
310, okay. Well, we'll see. We'll reline up. Except, Mr. I have to get an alignment first. I have to get an alignment first.
I could drive.
Like, I'm like, yo, let's line it up, Jordy. He's like, nah, I can't, bro. It's Dragonfly mating season. I'm like, what? Like, Nick, what? What'd you say? It's Dragonfly mating season, so I can't race. Can I do that to the Z? I got an everybody shot. I'm so sorry. Like, I ran through everybody. I'm sorry, bro. oh, you're gonna show me the goods, bro? Oh, okay.
It's stock.
It's stock. Yeah. I was just looking at your fenders. You can't see it at night, but dude, you didn't have the carbon fiber fenders last time, right? All right. Let's just show me your stock motor. Dude, looks so stock. Look at it. Oh, what the hell is that? Dude, what the hell? And it's been running reliable, huh? Dude, this is a goal right here, but I'm too broke. Super nice, bro.
We're retuning and probably soon and we're gonna make it like 500.
Damn, bro.
You know?
Oh yeah, Martin's gonna kill it, bro. Jeez, bro. Ah, look at this snail. I want it so bad, but Noir Gang, I need you guys to start a GoFundMe so I can go get boosted. Just kidding, don't do that. Is this to play?
Yeah, man. I need one of those.
Yeah, for sure. Look, if you buy one, can you get me one for my birthday? It's in July, bro. You can hook me up real good.
I'll see what I can do.
All right, I appreciate you. You better not let me down like my dad did. Noir Gang, let me know if you guys want to see a review on an Evo because it was offered and I'm super down. Like, look at this thing, bro. I have no idea what's going on, but I just love it because it's an Evo. Who cares? Dude, look at this. He's always flexing too. He's got carbon everything, even on his Z. I love it. I absolutely love his car, but if you guys want to see a review, just let me know. We'll make it happen, man. Never would have even noticed. Walked by it and I was like, dude, is this on boost? And it is. Bro, both of them. Both of them. Sick. Sick setup. I don't know whose it is, but fire, bro. But it's like all the way in the back, bro. Getting like no love, but you got some here, bro. Literally never fails. It's always the Mustang guys, the Camaro guys, and then the imports. Oh, Mustangs and Camaros, then it's the Honda, for sure. Oh, hey. All right, let's cross the path to Narnia. There we go. Yeah, just for us. Yes, when you watch this video, I'm literally looking at you and calling you. Hey! How about you answer your damn phone? I'm calling you. I'm right in front of you. How dare you?
I gotta take the break off. Hello?
Hey, do you know whose Black Z this is over here?
No clue why.
Because that guy needs to leave and is blocking him.
What guy?
The other smaller guy.
The red one? Hold up.
The one with the floral shirt.
I don't know who it is, so give me a second, bro.
Okay. How dare he ignore me while looking at him? Jeez, the disrespect. God. You see what your man did to me? I'm literally calling him, looking at him in the eyes. I looked in the windows of his soul, and he didn't even pick up the phone. Jeez, I could be dying.
You caught him?
Yeah, hell yeah. I'm gonna expose the hell out of him on YouTube. You're worse than my dad. No. This is my favorite part about this Z, all right? Look at the honeycomb. Oh, wait, let me get it on light. The honeycomb carbon fiber. Fritz has the cleanest looking Z, like hands down. It's between him and him, but it's just so nice. And then of course my ghetto thing is parked next to him. So, but look, I'm telling you, look how much of a difference black housing's. Look at that, like black housing versus. Cream your pants. This guy over here. What did you say you did to me?
No, destroyed.
Yeah, he did. Yeah, thank you. He's like, this guy, I'm watching his video. He's like, oh, I destroyed this other guy. I'm like, hey, fuck you. First of all, I'm coming back. You're gonna get gapped.
I said I love you.
Oh, yeah. You're getting destroyed. You don't know everything I have on the car, JP. You don't know. There's secret sauce on here. I'm ready for you, JP. You're my first rival ever. Second rival. You're both getting gapped equally as hard.
Wait till I go need if I got something.
Oh yeah, don't worry, I'll have something even more because I'm retuning in June. What a jerk. So you told me you were gonna eat, so you pulled up at the Carolina Ale House?
Yeah.
Well, I mean, you didn't lie though.
I didn't. I mean,
didn't.
we're at a restaurant.
God, you're worse than my father.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Real question, is it gonna slide?
Get out of here! Get out of here! No one likes 2Js! God, good. Well, that was really mild.
One of your homies got pulled over.
No way, really?
The blue boosted Z.
He wasn't even speeding, bro. He did it. He just went, whoosh. Then the cop came flying, a freaking trooper doing like 70 and pulled him over. Yeah. He was doing max like 35.
Really? Wait, the blue
I have it on
one?
video.
It's getting louder. It's getting louder, but it's not shooting flames though.
Not yet.
God. I'm disappointed. Come on, JP, hook me up. It's not firing? Oh.
Are you on the right map?
I'm sorry, guys. I'm sorry. Hey, we're waiting. Can I get a high five? No.
It's okay, bro. I finally win. Hey, this is part one of my revenge. This is part one.
Let me ask you something. Why is it that all of y'all look the same with the same fucking spoiler, and one the red one's in the middle?
Oh, that's true.
Just fucking notice that.
Oh, that's nice. That's just nice, bro. Just nice. Just see things, you know, whatever.
I kind of feel bad because we kind of pulled a crowd, which means that either I'm getting kicked out or I fucked up the meet.
Keep going.
You want me to keep going?
Yeah, keep going.
All right, fuck it. Here.
Oh shit. I didn't tell you that map.
Did you shoot? Okay, perfect.
Oh my God, look what started. Fuck.
All right, don't worry, guys. I'm stuck as fuck. Don't worry about it.
But yeah, dude, so I'm either never allowed back here again or I'm gonna get pulled over in like a little bit.
Something's gonna happen. I have the shittiest luck with cops. No, I have the worst luck with cops. I'm gonna let the car cool down. Thank you, bro. I'm gonna let the car cool down and then head out. God, VQ problems, guys. Cool it. Slow. God, the car's way too hot right now, so I'm gonna let it cool a little bit longer. But for sure, I don't think I'm allowed back to this meet.
Look what started. Yeah, right. No, it's not a Mustang, don't worry.
I mean, it's close enough.
What do you mean close enough?
In Miami, it's close enough.
No, that's the Hialeah Mustang.
Yeah, pretty much.
Hopefully you guys are impressed. Hopefully you have fun. It's fun shooting flames now. I need to get gas now.
Next Wednesday.
Not next Wednesday, the Wednesday after.
If I'm allowed back, yeah.
What do you mean if you're allowed back? He was the one that was doing the two-step that brought the whole crowd.
That was me.
I wasn't here.
All right, bro. I'll see you around. Thank you guys. And oh my God, sorry. Look,
Always.
I know. I almost.
You gotta be careful with little niggas.
I made a sucking balls.
Oh yeah, your humidifier. Your
Rice sucking balls.
guys, if you don't know, username not needed has humidity sucking balls. If you're ever confused what that means these balls they suck all the moisture out of the area. Well, Yubor, I would love to race, but I have no gas now.
That's fine.
I'll see you next time, bro. All right, bro. Good to meet you, man. Good. All right, bro. All right, Noir gang, we're out. Marco, later, bro.
You win that flame match.
I win something finally.
Hey, dick licker. Thanks for saying bye, bitch.
He's saying bye right now. Stop being so aggressive. Look, JP, look what we started, bro. Look what we started. And now, I'll be surprised if we're allowed back here. I know, right? All right, Noir gang, if you guys like the video, if you like just me shooting stupid flames for no reason, just make sure you like and subscribe, hit the notification bell. Don't do what?
I don't know. I'm tired.
You want to close out my video?
Well, I don't even know how to.
Well, just close it out. If you got a long dick, well, wait, I gotta shoot flames in Marco's car. If I break it, you are all right. You're all right. Hey, babe, hold my beer. Hold my beer.
Second, right?
Oh yeah, second one. Am I the Flame Master? Is that what it is?
Flame master.
Oh my god. All right, now you have to close out the video. You gotta do the hand thing. Yo, Noir gang, look at this crazy accent.